Freeman, what a relief to see you. We've been tracking your progress. I stayed behind to let... Do you know who ate all the... The alien species... No! I don't want to die! What? Yes, I sincerely hope you know what you are doing. Ah, hello. Do you think that perhaps... Theoretically... Most of the simulation results are perfectly acceptable, you know. Do you know who ate all the donuts? No! Please! Freeman, who would have thought... Stop! Stop attacking! Ah, you've been wounded. Stop! I certainly hope you know what you're doing. Greetings! Don't be ridiculous. Are you 100% sure that... No! It appears that you need medical attention right away. I certainly... Most of the simulation results are perfect... Yes, I sincerely hope you know what you are doing. Are you insane? Stop attacking immediately. Do you know who ate all the donuts? No! Do you know...
A colleague and I came up with our own plan for escape, and we were on our way to one of the old prototype labs when we ran into them.
The... Do you know who ate all the donuts?